Hey y'all, today's video is going to be a lock retwist video, and I will also be doing rope twist, aka 2-strand twist. Today we will be starting with a lock detox because she is long overdue for a lock detox. So that's how we are beginning this service, and then of course I will use a clarifying shampoo, then a moisturizing shampoo, condition, and finally start the retwisting process. And y'all, so of course the lock detox pretty much just consists of the water and the ACV as the main ingredients, and this looks like milk. It looks like dirty milk, y'all, so I'm sure her scalp is happy right now. So the products that I'm using to do her retwist are very minimum. I'm pretty much just using the Mary's locking gel plus a setting lotion. When I began retwisting the lock, I like to start out with the comb method, which is just pretty much grabbing all the new growth and doing a twist with that, and then continuing the retwisting part with my fingers, which is just wrapping the new growth hair around until I can no longer wrap, and then palm roll, grab all those little fuzzies at through the shaft of the lock and just twist those around, and there you have it. So that is what I just did, and now I'm just combining two locks together to form the double strand twist, 2-strand twist, or rope twist. So it started out with her wanting the pipe cleaner curls, and then she was like, no, we can try something different because that's what she normally do. So she said, okay, you can 2-strand twist all the way down, and then we can unravel those once I come from under the dryer. Cool. Well, once she came from under the dryer, she changed her mind. She wanted to keep the 2-strand twist that did not have rubber bands on them. Normally I put rubber bands at the end to keep them secured. So in the end, she decided she wanted to keep the twist and then put them up in a bun. So that's how we came to the beginning of this video and the actual result. So keep in mind, we were only doing the retwist and then doing the rope twist and then putting her under the dryer, and once her drying was complete, I was going to unravel these so that her hair would have some sort of wave, curl, volume, something other than just being straight retwisted locks. But of course, she changed her mind. Y'all, don't tell her this, but I was slick in my feelings because I wanted to do the twist out for video purposes. I wanted y'all to see me unravel these twists. I just know it was going to be like beautiful, gorgeous, the bomb.com, amazing. But she had other plans. In case you're wondering why I pretty much do a retwist on the entire lock, palm roll, twist the flyaways around, is because I like the locks to have a uniform look. Don't get me wrong, I guess there's no right or wrong way. However, I know a lot of people who retwist locks, and they pretty much only retwist the new growth. They don't even go down the entire lock. They don't do any maintenance to the entire lock at all. And I feel like that can become a problem with certain hair types, and I'd rather just do maintenance to the entire lock instead of new growth only. And as you can see, I'm just wrapping that loose hair around the lock until there's no more wrapping that I can do. And then I will grip the other little hairs that's sticking out the bottom of the lock and retwist those, do palm roll, and then start the 2-strand twist with 2 locks. FYI, sometimes I have clients who have an odd number of locks, and when they request a 2-strand twist, some people might instantly think, oh no, a problem, we have 1 lock left over. All you have to do is add that other lock to 2 of the locks that have already been rope twisted, aka 2-strand twisted. Most clients I can remember who have odd locks, and I'd rather do that 3-strand twist somewhere in the back. So that's just something I want to throw out there in case you run into that problem. It's not really a huge problem. Okay, I am finally done with the retwist and the rope twist, and I left the lock clips at the end because initially she was going to go under this dryer and I was going to unravel them until she was dry, and then she changed her mind and wanted to keep the twist up. So that is why she does not have rubber bands at the end. And an hour and 30 minutes later, she is fully dry, and she has these cute rope twists that I was going to unravel to give a wavy look until she hit me with the, I like them, I want to keep them, just put them in a bun. So there you have it. She wanted a bun, which actually turned out to be cute with the rope twist. I really like the look. This is something different. Never had a client request this, but it turned out cute. And also, once she's tired of that bun, she can go to the rope twist, unravel, and she has another style. We have reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave me some feedback, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and thanks for watching.